Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to replace broken air vent tabs on Volkswagen Golf Mk5, Jetta, GTI or Rabbit in 5 easy steps. The cheapest way is to replace just the tabs and not the entire air vent with only few euros or dollars. So this is the tab that is broken. Both of them are broken. If you can see, it's useless now. Also the one on the right and one on the left. So here we have a new air vent tabs. We have 4, but you can buy all of them, all 6 of them. You can also replace the tabs from the rear air vents. You can find new air vent tabs like this in the video description below. So first, start with removing the air vents. You can find the video tutorials in the video description below. So here we have the central air vent. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. So also both of the tabs are broken, so we have to replace them. So first you have to remove the frame from the air vent. So you can use a flat blade screwdriver. So you have to insert the flat blade screwdriver between the frame and the air vent. You just have to lift the frame up to release it from the clips. Then we have also clips on the lower side, so the red arrows points the clips on the other side of the frame that you need to deal with. But you have to just separate the frame from the air vent. Pull gently to separate the frame from the air vent, and you will separate those two parts. It's very easy. Now you can see those small plastic teeth that is holding the frame in place. And here also you can see the plastic where the clips are placed. And now you can see those clips that is holding the frame. And here it is, the lower part. You can see over there those parts are holding the frame. One of them is broken, if you can see. So you have to be careful when you separate the frame from the air vent to not break something. After that, you have to remove the grill, pulling it outside. So there are some marks over there. There's some plastic marks over there. So there's some holes over there that you have to place it back. It's very easy to place it back. You cannot put it wrong. You cannot install it another way. Okay, we also find some piece from the broken tab, from the old broken tab. So now here it is, the new tab that we bought. So we'll replace this. How you install this? You can see that small part, it will clip with the big one, with the big part. If you can see, this is a straight angle and you have to put it like that. Also on the other side, it's this oblique angle, so you cannot put it wrong. It's working in just one way. After that, you just have to place that tab on the third grill like that, and then you place the other part with that oblique angle. So install the new tab and the clip back on the grill, and then install the grill back on the air vent. So you have to place that plastic part from the tab on the third grill. So install the grill back on the air vent. So let's see if it's working. So it's working fine. And also you have to do the same with the other grill. And then you have to install the frame back on the air vent. Start with the lower part, with the lower side, and then finish with the upper side. And then you have to install back the center air vents on the car. To remove the left or the right air vent, you have to use a flat blade screwdriver or a trim tool. Protect the surfaces. You have to insert the flat blade screwdriver on the left or right side of the air vent to pull it out. To understand what you have to do, so these are the clips. So here you can see the clips that you have to deal with it when you pull the air vent out. It's on the right side and also on the left side. Now you can see on the right side and also on the left side. Then you can also see the clips that you have to deal with it when you remove the frame from the air vent. The same with the center air vents. You just have to unclip it and take the frame out. those are the clips from the bottom, and that's it. It's the same with the center air vents. You just have to remove the grill and place the new tab on the grill. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.